A very good morning, children. Hope you had a nice weekend. So today we are going to finish exercise 12.3. With that, we will conclude this chapter, lines and angles. So there exists only one question with 10 sub questions, where the question is, using protractor, construct angles having the following measures. So they gave some measures like 75 degree, 120 degree, 99, etc., of which we have to make use of protractor and construct the respective angles. So please follow my instructions carefully so that we can finish it very easily. So in order to draw an angle of 75 degree, as we have been discussing, first we have to take a ray. Okay, so draw a ray of any length. Okay, so 6 centimeters, 5 centimeters, like that. Okay, no need of specific length. So ray, as you know, will have one end point and one end point. Now, so this is the center of the baseline. Okay, this point is the center of the baseline. Okay, which should coincide with the end point of our ray. Okay, so this center of the baseline and our end point should coincide with each other, and look, this baseline also should be on the ray. Now look, as I kept this end point on the left side, we have to take 0 from right or inner scale. Okay, look, so left 0 should start from right side. So this is our right side, isn't it? Okay, left side, right side, or some people will say inner scale, or we can take it anti-clockwise. Okay, left hand anti-clockwise, right hand clockwise. Any of the ways you can take. Okay, so left, center of the baseline and our endpoint coincided, which are on the left. Now we are taking inner scale. So 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70 and 80. Look, in between 70 and 80 we have a long line, isn't it? In between 70 and 80 we have one more long line, that is 5 degree. Because look, if you check the scale between 70 and 90, it will be divided into 10 subunits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. So they asked 75. Hence, in between 70 and 80 we have one dark line, that is 75. Okay. So children, look, what you have to understand is, when we take the base point on the left, we have to take inner scale or anti-clockwise. So after that we have to join this point and our end point. Draw this one also as a ray and name it, for example, A, O, B. And these are all compulsory, children. We have to make them as rays and we have to name them. And what is the angle measure we took? It is 75 degree. So show that 75 degrees like this. Okay. In order not to confuse you, I am taking always the inner scale for the rest of the questions. If you are quite confident that we can take right as end point also, not a problem, but prefer left. Okay, now, so this is the first one. Now I'm moving to second one, children. So second one is 50 degrees. Same procedure. Look, so first, as usual, we'll draw a ray of any length like this. Okay, so we don't worry about the length of this ray, and as one end will be fixed, Other one we will show as an arrow like this. Now we want 50 degrees, hence keep this center of the baseline on the end point of our ray, and by coinciding this, now look, so inner scale, you always keep this thing, that is enough. Left side inner scale, left side inner scale. Okay, so we want 50 degree, hence 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. So 50 is here, hence the point should come there. Now join that point and our end point of the ray. Okay, and then mark this as a ray and name it, for example, take it XOY, okay, or XYZ as you wish, XYZ, okay, and measurement of the angle is 50 degree. Do everything with pencil, children, except the question, pencil and scale. Hope you understood. Now I am going to fourth one. So third one is going to be your homework. Now I am going to fourth one. So fourth one is 90 degree, children. Again the same process. Okay. In your CW, you please draw one by one. Don't write side by side. You have to draw each angle one after the other. So I should take a ray, hence I am taking this ray for the baseline. It can be of any length. Now I am coinciding the center of the base with the end point of the ray, and the given measure is 90 degrees. So inner scale 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, and our 90 is here. Hence I took the point exactly at 90. Okay, and don't bold the lines or the points, children. Just keep them as sharp as possible. Now join this line and our end point of the ray. So this is going to be an angle of 90 degree. So as 90 degree will be of line segment type like this and not as a curve, mark it like this and name this one as PQR, angle PQR, and the measure is 90 degrees. Okay, now I am going to fifth one. So please check. This fifth one is an obtuse angle because look, 110 is greater than 90 and less than 180. An angle measuring greater than 90 degrees and less than 180 degrees we call obtuse angle. Okay, though it is obtuse, the same procedure. Okay, first we are going to take a ray like this of any measure. Okay, better take 6 centimeters or 5 so that it will come nicely. Okay, 110 degrees. We have the end point here. Take the protractor. Take the protractor so that the center of the baseline and the end point of the ray should coincide each other. Inner scale again. So 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100 and 110. Okay, always take as I am taking end point left and inner scale. End point left and inner scale. So 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100 and 110. So mark the point at 110 and join this end point and the point that has come. Okay, so let us mark it AOB or ABC. Okay, nothing to worry. It can be of any alphabet type, but use capital letters. So we can write it as 110 degrees. Okay, 110 degrees. Now what I am going to do is, now I am going to do sixth one, children. Please look. The ones which I am not discussing in CW are going to be homework today, which you have to write in HW. Okay, 160 degrees, children, just like the fifth one. So we are going to make a ray of any length. Okay, now, so the base, center of the base and the end point, inner scale, 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110, 120, 130, 140, okay, 150 and 160. See, children, once you coincide the center of the baseline and the end point, ensure that the protractor won't move here and there. Okay, hold it firmly so that it will stand as long as we are going to take the measure. So 160 is here, hence take the point. As we are considering inner scale, forget about the outer scale. Always inner scale when we take this end point on the left. So I kept the point over here, and now what we are going to do is we have to join our end point and the point which came after measuring 160 degrees. So let us name it MNP. And what is the measure of this angle? 160 degree. Okay, 160 degree. Now I am going to do ninth one. The homework problems are going to be easy. So the ninth one I am going to do now. So please check it. The ninth one. So ninth one is 99 degrees, children. So for that, what we have to do? So first we will take a ray like this. Okay, ray. So show it as a ray. Now the center of the base and end point of the ray coincided with each other. Now please observe the protractor carefully. 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80 and 90. We actually want 99. Okay, look. As I told, in between 90 and 100, we'll have 10 divisions like this. Look, 100. Before 100, we have small line, isn't it? That is going to be 99. See, before 100, forget about outer scale, only inner scale. 100 is here at this line. Before 100, what will be there? 99. So carefully with the sharp pencil edge, you mark it 99 like this. 99. And then join this point and our end point of the ray. Please use pencil with sharp edge, children. Otherwise it is going to be wrong. And don't make anything bold. Okay, this is going to be 99 degree. Okay, and going to name it as XOY. So angle XOY is 99 degrees. So I hope you understood the concept of how to draw the angles using the protractor, children. Watch the video again and again and do the homework problems carefully in your HW. Okay, that's all for today. Have a great day.